vlogging in public. So what? They don't know me, right? So I'm on my way out the tunnel right now. I'm using the escalator instead of pretty dark here, but who fucking cares, right? So I don't know if you could hear me, but I'm on the station right now. So this is how it looks like over here. That's going to CDAC, and this is going to University of Washington. So it's Sunday here, so nothing, it's pretty dead here, nothing much. Last week it is snow. Last day it has rain. Today is sunny day. Alright. Oh, the lights from my back is so cinematics. I wish I could vlog like while driving, which I'm doing right now. Oh, the backlight. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so when I was a child, just want to say thank you so much for the likes, for the comments, for the subscribers. Thank you. Yes, I know you watch, right? So yeah, thank you so much, and please comment down below if you have any suggestions, recommendations, or violent reactions in this channel. Please do so. Oh, the weather here is so nice. I look this weather. Blue skies, and it's around 50 subscribers. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's like chilling. It's like having you're inside in the freezer or something. But still sunny, so can't complain this kind of weather. Alright guys, I'm about to enter I-5 now, which is the highway. It's called Interstate 5. It goes from Canada going down to Texas, I believe. And I'll vlog later because it's not safe to vlog while you're driving. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye!